Alright, I am trying it again sideways. I'll try, because I know it is a better quality.
Just brand new keys.
Brand new keys. Here, this one too, Jim Boy, is just sitting here on the... Nice little score, plus whatever that is. On to the next. Another nice little gift box. I don't know if I want those, but I don't think this inserts with them anyways. Those are open. Oh, there's some pop in there, I think.
Yeah.
There was nothing in that one, right? No. Okay. This is exactly the same thing that my son busted his foot on and got 4 stitches out of it. Aluminum. Milky Ways. What's nothing down in that bag down there? Alright, I think that's it.
Not as good as it has been, but...
Alright, on to the next. Best Buy. I don't normally get out unless he says. Because normally they just have bags. And bags of trash. That's it. These ones we don't tend to check all the time, only because they don't tend to put out anything. Are those socks? No, that's an insert to the shoes, ain't it? Yeah. Just the typical trash. Who's checking that one? Nothing in that one? Alright. I'm gonna walk over to the hobby one. Beer bottle broken. Freaking animals. Wonder why dumpsters are being locked and they destroy stuff because people don't pick up after themselves and they leave everything a freaking trash can. Let's check Hobbytown. One that we don't normally check. And that would be why. Because there's nothing in it. Nothing. Nothing. Joanne Fabrics, you got anything else tonight? I am so sorry. Nothing on this side. I'll check the other side. See if there's anything in here. Some cotton candy from Chuck E. Cheese. I was just checking on this side because there's some cotton candy from Chuck E. Cheese.
Yummy.
Muffin. On to the next. Meownies. Hey, you want some lettuce? Or some cauliflower?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It looks good, too. Heart salami.
Those things are ugly. Look at them. Those things are almost black.
What's the date on those pages? Once open, use within 7 days of 5/5/21.
But they're brown, so they're probably out of the... Aww.
No, pickles.
Oh, we got all mold on it.
Watch out for the yogurt.
Ah, they were hiding them.
Yeah, there's our nanners.
Oh, nice looking nanners tonight.
I don't think there's anything else. That looks bad tonight. Wait, is that pulled pork? No, empty container. Oh wait, blueberries. Aww. Spaghetti. Put my flash back on. That is a nice little U.S. General. Nice. On to the next. Tractor Supply. What do you got for the dumpster kitties tonight? That looks something.
Oh, yeah. We need the rest of this shit right here.
With that master.
Yeah, the heater.
And there's a tire. I just threw the cord right over there.
There's the tire cord. Hey, there's a hose right back
Yeah, I
there.
know there was a hose. I've seen the hose. Let me see if I can climb up on here. You sure? Alright. Dumpster cat's going in.
Oh, Jesus.
Dumpster cat's getting 8. Hey, if you ever want hangers, go to Tractor Supply, guys. Like, seriously.
Ow.
That's it?
Yeah, we got the rest of the jump table pack wasn't in there.
Right. You want some grandma's potato salad? That's what they had for lunch. You want some grandma's potato salad with eggs?
I like a piece.
Mmm.
What's in here?
Ooh. Makes me hungry. Oh, I think there's some chicken up in that. Walk with me to Family Dollar. I'll let you guys get the first look. And what's in there? Absolutely nothing. Same. Yeah, same as last night. See if there's any scrap in our restaurant dumpster. Nope. On to the next. Save-A-Lot, here we come. Save-A-Lot. Cookies.
What?
Dumpster cat going after cookies. Are they good cookies? Oh, there's some down here too. They're oatmeal raisin. This is the only one I can get the oatmeal raisin cookies from. Right, if we run into some homeless again. Last night, we were able to give out 2 gift bags to the homeless. One here in front of, and literally one in our own little neck of woods. He's our, we forgot to ask him last night, though, if he knew where the actual homeless camp was, but he's a loner homeless guy. But he's well taken care of by the community. He's got his own shopping cart, a very old Walmart shopping cart, like very original Walmart shopping cart. I mean, he is one of the wire metal ones. He is well taken care of by the county, though. All right, we're heading to CVS. See you there. CVS scrap dumpster, you got anything? Can tell that's bags of trash, but I think it's just trash. Just trash. I think it's just trash, but they have like those vape things, cartridges in them, but it looks like just trash. All right. Oh, it is cold. Look at my breath. Alright guys, we'll see you at our next stop. Ricky, are you home? Ricky? No Ricky? No Ricky. Some donuts. Nothing. One last one in this little city. Alright, our last one. And that person was still sitting up there. Kinda looks the same. Yep. Alright, well that's done for this one.